Today I'm introducing a hair oil which is really healthy to your hair, and you can give some boosting to your hair growth. So I will introduce my hair oil which really works so well on me. Not only for me, it will work on you so well. So try for it, and not only for ladies, it's for gents also, for the kiddos also, because it's so natural. And I'm picking up all of my stuff from my garden, so that how it has to do. So you can watch it and try it and let me know, give me a comment. Stop. First I am plucking some mandara, and I have a lot of mandaras. Even yesterday's mandara, it will go. Now I'm taking some aloe vera from my aloe vera garden. I think I don't need to use. Ada kadavule. It வந்து குண்டகலகரா leaf. In the குண்டகலகரா leaf will work on your hair like a magic. So I have that plants too. I'm picking up. These are all for next week. These are all spring onions, it means onion leaves. So I'm picking up some onion leaves too. I have a scissor to cut. They will grow again. Onion smell very good. And these are all hibiscus leaves. I wanted to pluck some hibiscus leaves also. See, they are very fresh and seriously so shiny. So did you see this Pikagai in Tamil and Telugu Beerkai? So today I'm cooking this in my house. I have lot of guava. Even I'm going to cut my guava also today. Cameraman, என்னோட basket கொடுங்க. சைடுல போடலாம். நிறைய இருக்கு. Oh my god, I will get sunburn because my skin is so sensitive. இந்த மாதிரி கோவக்கா நீங்க எப்பன்னா பார்த்தாச்சா எவ்வளவு கூட்டா இருக்கும் பாருங்க. Chima Poochies. They are eating my Goyaka. Govaka. Goyaka means Goa. This Poochie, I will kill you. Kill you, Poochie. Touch pandradukku or maari. So now I'm in my kitchen so that we'll do the recipe. First coconut oil. Pan already heat అయిపోయింది. So sim lo podunga and I'm keeping some coconut oil. உங்களுக்கு எவ்வளோ தேவைయோ మీకు ఎంత కావాలో అంత కోకోనట్ ఆయిల్ వేయండి. ఓకే, దెన్ ఇది ఆముదం, క్యాస్టర్ ఆయిల్, ఓకే, అండ్ కొంచెం ఆలివ్ ఆయిల్, and cameraman garu, you can show little bit here also when I am showing something. Okay, ippudu we can add mandaram, it's already dried mandaram, hibiscus. This hibiscus only will work, no other hibiscus. And gunta galgara leaf, onion leaves, hibiscus leaves, after that you can add vendayam, మెంతులు. How much quantity you want you can add. First நீங்க add பண்ணினா they will get black, so அதுக்காக கொஞ்சம் லேட்டா போடுறேன். We'll give a mix. So it's a strong oil. After that you can mix coconut oil with this oil so that it will not be so strong on your head. If you can apply like this also, it works so well. Now I'm adding aloe vera. Don't do too much of boiling and all. As soon as possible, you can switch off the flame. I think I have to add some oil, coconut oil. And after that you have to filter, or else they will get spoiled. It's smelling so tasty. Can I eat it? Actually, dyed food will not be so tasty. It will be same like this, like a gaddi, like a gross. Wait for 5 minutes, not 5 minutes, 3 minutes. After that, we'll switch off the flame. Finally, I'm adding some karvepula and Telugu karvepaku and in English curry leaves. So this is the main ingredient. It is very much needed because if you have white hair kind of stuff, if you are that will help. And ellaru solra, I don't know, but it will be very good for your healthy hair. Okay. This is all.